Alright, so wandering around Disneyland and still haven't found my wife anywhere, so someone told me that Alice might know, so let's go find out what Alice knows. Right? And that's Alice, right? So that's what we'll do. We'll go find out what if Alice knows.
I like your sunglasses. They're very cute.
Alright, we started. Here we go. Lee's? We still have to find Alice to talk to where Lee's is. Where Lee's is? Oh, we have to ask the White Rabbit. Oh.
Follow the White Rabbit down the rabbit hole.
No.
All of a sudden, I'm down. Down, down, down.
Look for the White Rabbit. Well, see if we all smell.
Oh, Mr. Rabbit, wait, please. You went this way.
Oh, no, that way.
A really important thing. Oh, I can make it all right.
I don't know who I am. Oh, there you are.
This way. This would be a curious place to find a rabbit.
Yeah, let's not go. We're going the wrong way.
Fair chance.
Hey, there he is.
I'm not sure where I am either.
Oh, no. Watch out!
Oh, by the way, he went this way.
Thank you.
No, not green.
And the king.
Play croquet.
The rule 42. The queen always wins.
Oh, he hit that.
Oh! Ah! What the heck?
Oh, run! Run!
Goodness!
Oh, bright light, bright light, bright light, bright. Oh, Matterhorn. Oh. Okay, we are in the tree now, Ma. There's the Matterhorn. Okay. There's the teacups. Got to drive around this tree here. Okay, here we go. You're a pretty crazy driver, Ma. Can't you drive in a straight line, please? Oh, it's got to be near the... Well, the White Rabbit didn't help us find Lee's. So, well, we'll continue walking around Disneyland until we find her. So stay tuned for the next one, okay? We'll find her at the next one, I'm pretty sure.